Hey there, folks. All right, welcome to update number 4 of the Bourbon and Cigar Lounge hockey room. I guess call it all 3, eh? So I made some pretty good progress. Still got a little bit of ways to go, a few more things, but yeah, so let's say we go check it out, eh? All right, well, first off, I think I've shown the tobacco rack over there, eh? And so yeah, this is the new Hutch. And of course, gotta have plenty of snacks. Make fresh popcorn too. It's awesome. So yeah, this is the Hutch. And it's for the bourbon collections, eh? So we got different stuff up here. So that's my 1792 stuff there. And then up here will be more of just stuff for like making old fashions and stuff, eh? And then over here, we got the Wild Turkey stash, and then glasses. Got more downstairs, but they're in the wash, eh? But yeah, and then for sampling bourbons, mixing glass, and don't have much in the jars right now. Just some coasters, and then yep, stuff for making drinks. Nothing in that one yet. So, and then we'll go down here. Hey man, you got any Blantons? I sure do. And then my stash of Corbel brandy. I got 5 bottles down there, eh? That's for making good old Wisconsin old fashions. And then just some vodka for making Bloody Marys. And then in here, got the Woodford Reserve stash. The Morrow Special bottles, that's from Mexico. And then that's Buckeye Blend. And then back there, I just got the single malt. And then here's more mixins for making different types of drinks. And then over here, got Old Grandad and some. This is basically going to be for Canadian whiskeys, but all I got right now is that one. And that Old Grandad's just hanging out down there. Ice bucket and mixer. Shaker. And then down here, we have the Jim Beam stash. And also some barrel-aged Fireball. This is kind of where all the, floor whiskey, the cheap stuff. Got some different Jim Beams down there. And then we got the popcorn machine. And got all fixed in there. So then we got some pistachio nuts. But this stuff here makes theater popcorn. We got coconut butter, mushroom popcorn, Amish, flavor cal. And some cheese flavoring. And then rocket popcorn has, we used to call it when grandson was young. Let's make some rocket popcorn. But yep. Oh, and then so we got some snacks there. And assorted nuts, pistachios, mixed nuts, and some pecan pralines. And then all the smoking accoutrements. Got our different lighters. Double torch, single torch, soft flame. For dry boxing. And then down here, the humidor. Now, it's getting quite packed. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see in there, but yeah, it's packed to the gills. So that's one of the next updates too. We're going to get gotta get a bigger humidor, and then over on that wall is gonna be the smoke extractor, air purifier. Gotta save up for that because that's kind of expensive. But yep, so that's it, folks. Just a quick update. Excuse me. It's as time goes on and I think of more stuff, but so yeah, that's kind of it, eh? It's coming along. So if you remember, on here was the sliding closet doors got rid of that and then painted everything in there. And this wasn't painted before, we forgot to paint that, so got that all painted up. And yeah, so we'll see. It's coming along. I want to get a rug for here too. I don't know. I'm kind of looking around trying to decide. I'd like to put a rug there. But also, I was kind of looking at putting a small bar here. So it'll come out. I was kind of looking, and so it's going to be about like right here. Small one. Maybe I'll build something. You know, it's kind of future plans. Oh, and lighting. Definitely need some lighting in there. So we'll need to do that, eh? So, all right, folks, that's it. Just wanted to give a quick update. Update number 4 on this project, and I'll be doing an update soon on the hobby room / office. It's still a mess in there. I've been concentrating on this, so yeah, this is a lot better than sitting in the basement, in the cold damp basement. But you know, we just kind of chill and hang out. So, all right, folks, remember, until next time, be kind.